Hello everybody and welcome back to Southeast by Midwest. I'm Cassie and today we are going to be reviewing the Sigma Cor-de-Rosa palette. I recently got this in a Sigma haul and the video for that will be linked down below. If you want to see what is inside this palette, you want some more information, just keep watching. As always, before we talk about the products, we always disclose here. And the disclosure for this video and corresponding blog post is I am an affiliate with Sigma, so therefore the links down below and on the blog post will be affiliate links. They did not send this to me. Sigma does know who I am. I have gotten products from them in the past. This, however, is not one of them. I'm too inconsistent and too kind of small at the moment for them to be sending me products. We go in and this keeps sticking to the mirror, but I always throw these stinking things away, the plain ones, but I'm gonna keep this. I don't want to keep it in this palette because it is freaking annoying and I don't usually use the mirror anyway. And if I am gonna use the mirror, I have like cleaning cloths that I can use to clean off any kick up and whatnot. So I don't really care about that. And this keeps sticking to the dang mirror and I'm afraid the corners are gonna like into the eyeshadows. So I need to find something to do with this. I just haven't decided what. You have the E54 medium sweeper, and then on this side you have the E38 diffused crease. These are both good brushes. And that's what I like about Sigma's palettes. What you get, the brushes that you get are actual brushes that they sell. So like it feels sturdy, it feels good. It feels like if this part wasn't here, this feels like an actual Sigma brush that was in here that you would buy individually. And their brushes are really good in my opinion. This palette retails for $49. And according to Sigma, well, not according to Sigma because you can see it with your own eyes. There are 14 shadows in here. 7 on the top, 7 on the bottom. And they're a mix of mattes, shimmers, and metallic. I don't want to swatch all of these because if I swatch all of these, there's no reason for you to go over to the blog and see the swatches over there. Let's start with this one here, Belle of the Ball, which is one of the shimmers. Let's do Damask, which is a matte. This one, High Society, is a metallic. Cor-de-Rosa, which is supposed to be a matte as well. But this matte actually feels more satiny. It is a matte. The top one is Belle of the Ball. That is the shimmer. The second one is Damask, which is the matte. The third one is High Society, which is the metallic. Look at that sheen. And then the bottom one there is Cor-de-Rosa, which is also a matte, which feels a little differently than these other mattes. These mattes, they don't feel dry, but this one definitely feels a little creamier than what the other ones do. So of course, if you want full swatches, those will be over on the blog along with my full thoughts. However, if you want to know if I think you should purchase this palette, I would have to say that I highly, highly recommend this palette. It kind of gives me Anastasia Beverly Hills vibes, like the modern Renaissance, the kind of look and the feel of the palette. And this is y'all are gonna go over to the blog post just to leave me so much hate, but I actually really prefer this over the Anastasia palettes. The shadows, in my opinion, are better quality. The brush that comes in here is a great quality brush, and these lasted a really long time on me. I actually tested these with and without eye primer, and obviously they last a long time with eye primer because what eyeshadow doesn't last a while without, with eye primer on. But without eye primer, these lasted almost 8+ hours on me. And I have a tendency to rub my eyes, forget that I'm wearing eyeshadow. While my face is dry, my eyelids are kind of, I wouldn't say they're oily, but they get kind of sheeny throughout the day. And these still lasted a good amount of time. Obviously, the shimmer and the metallic that I used wore away first. However, at the end of the day, hybrid, for when I tested without the primer, I used hybrid and I used apricot. And those two shades, you could actually still see them up in my crease. They stayed that long. So I do actually highly recommend purchasing this palette. There are people out there who have codes. You could partner someone's code with using my affiliate link, so you can support multiple people that way. So yeah, hopefully you found this video fun and informative. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. It really does help. Like I said, if you want to leave a comment, whether that's telling me what you think about this palette, if you've used it, you want to get it, you want to give me hate for saying that I like it better than Anastasia Beverly Hills, whatever you want, make sure to do it at the link in the description box down below for the blog post. Also, make sure to subscribe before you go. And until next time, bye!